there, casino connoisseurs! Ready for the cabinet of your dreams? Meet the all-new, all-awesome Beacon Plus slot machine cabinet. Hey, we didn't just slap this together. 400 hours of research, folks. All internally designed by hardware experts who eat, sleep, and breathe slot machines. Get ready to light it up with 360 degrees of dynamic lighting, including the first-ever backlighting for Beacon Tunnel Banking. Your casino will shine with style. It's more than just lighting, it's a captivating experience coming to your casino this fall. Need a little, elbow room? We've got you covered. Beacon Plus is designed with casino footprint-friendly banking solutions. Got a problem? No worries. All components are below the monitor for easy access. Plus, the Beacon Plus has the first ever removable player tracking tray. Service is so easy, it's practically magic. Just flip, pull, fix, and you're back in the game. Your players deserve the best view. Feast your eyes on this beauty. A 600-nit Ultra HD 49-inch monitor with a narrow bezel that's so thin, you'll wonder if it's even there. Super crisp, super bright, super plus. The Beacon Plus button deck features luxury gel-capped Beacon dual bash buttons. You'll love pressing them, and so will your players. Hey, but don't just take our word for it. Check out these real quotes from casino operators and industry experts who've experienced the Beacon Plus firsthand. They rave about its sleek design, easy maintenance, and cutting-edge features. So what are you waiting for? The Beacon Plus is ready to light up your casino floor. Contact your sales rep to learn more and order yours today. Beacon Plus, where innovation meets entertainment.